Alright guys, like, subscribe, make sure you hit the button.
Welcome to T.F.C.
Welcome to T.F.C. So we're taking a road trip.
Road trip.
Road trip, America. We're going to, where we going?
Alexander, North Carolina.
Alexander, North Carolina. We're going to a yurt.
Yurt.
A yurt.
Yurt.
A yurt.
Yurt.
We're going to a yurt. So we're just leaving the neighborhood. We're going to show you videos of the trip and where we stop on the way there and on the way back. Look excited. First road trip with the truck. See how she does on the road. I'll stop and fill up with some gas. And then you guys hope you enjoy the video. Hey, make sure you hit subscribe. As we're trying to grow, thanks for the 1,000 subscribers that have subscribed. This is where we're using a new camera mount, so I'm getting used to it reverse. And you can see we packed the dogs, so this is a full family trip. Everyone's going, even the little munchkin.
That's Beignet.
It's Beignet.
There she is. It's Beignet. It's me. Hey, it's Miss T.F.C. Mrs. T.F.C.
Alright guys, hope you enjoy the video. Whoa, it's hard doing the video while you're driving. We're gonna jam out to some old school music and we holler at you guys on the other side. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're about to stop and get some gas. We're gonna keep up with the gas per hour on the highway. So right now, let's see what we're getting. Just driving around town. That's a little highway. We stay kind of in the country. Getting about 15 miles a gallon. Best I ever got was 21 miles. Sorry, the little one back there hitting the thing. 21 miles. So we're gonna fill it up with diesel.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you the stuff I put in the diesel gas when I fill up. Every time I fill up, and the reason why I do that is because not every diesel gas is the same. Diesel gas settles. So if you go to a gas station that doesn't get a lot of traffic in diesel gas, that means the gas is old and it can do your engine some harm. So I put this in there to always have a full spectrum of diesel gas. I guess it's whatever. But let me show you guys what we got. And we go to Quick Trip. We like Quick Trips because Quick Trip, they go through their gas a lot. So we know we get fresh diesel gas. Alright, let's check it out. So we use everyday EDT. 2 ounces of this. So inside of here you can fill it up. See that? You can fill it up and you put this in your gas tank at every fill in. So let's fill it up. Alright, so we got the diesel gas. We gotta go. It took 27 gallons on that. It was about a half a tank. So we're gonna go ahead and start it up. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to trips. And restart a trip to 0 starting right now. So reset, so distance 0, nothing. So we got 523 miles to empty. All right, let's get to it, y'all. Road trip. Make sure you travel with your family, man. Life is short. Rest in peace. Black Panther, Black Mama, all in 2020. Hell of a year, hell of a year. We got it going. We ain't got no, what's that famous one? The cup. Yurt.
A Yeti?
A Yeti. We need more subscribers, so we're gonna fire a Yeti. We use Bubba, which I don't know. I'm not even throw their brand out there because we don't have no sponsorship at all.
This is not sponsored.
This is not sponsored. Matter of fact, none of this is sponsored. All right, on the road again. Yeah, so I was saying with the diesel. Just make sure, like, you stopping, like when you're traveling, you stopping in small towns. We got everything. You stopping in small towns that have diesel. A lot of times they do not go through their diesel enough, so it could be sitting there, and which is bad for your engine, especially a diesel engine. So we use that additive to even up the diesel gas. So that's something to really keep, especially when you're traveling. Especially in the South, especially when they have hurricanes and storms. Sometimes the diesel gas could be sitting in there and water could have got in there and they haven't cleaned it yet. You just never know. So you want to do that. Keep your fuel filters clean. We won't have a lot of miles on the truck, so we won't have a lot of maintenance. We'll go through maintenance when we get there. Alright, we're finna hit the road. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and the biggest thing, tell a friend. Right? Friends don't let friends watch YouTube without watching our channel. That's what friends do. That's what friends do. Friends don't let friends watch this channel without telling them about this channel. You got great recipes, you got great food. Alright guys, be safe out there on the road. Record that heads up display, give you directions while you driving. You gotta love this car. Sorry for the bounces, y'all. There you go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're in North Kakalaki, North Carolina. You see the sign, Beautiful place, just passed through Rayburn, not to
Rabin County.
North Carolina. We're gonna hit some mountains. We got some beautiful views. I've been this route before. Hopefully we're gonna find this barbecue spot. Might have to get it on the way back. It's a good barbecue spot. Car's doing well. We're averaging 16 miles a gallon, 16.6 to be exact. We drove 111 miles. We're about 79 miles from Asheville. Just hit the North Kakalaki line. But if you like fresh peaches, brown eggs, left and right side of the highways, great places to stop. They got a lot of great food.
Ta-da! We're here.
Yeah, me back in here. All right, guys. So we finally made it up here. Do a scenic look around. It's pretty high up. Damn. This is it.
Hey guys, so we're at the Airbnb now. It's really late. It's a long story, but we're finally in here. And I'm gonna show you around the yurt. Okay, here we go.
What's up, y'all? So we got here. Unfortunately, it wasn't clean, but that makes up for it. Look at this view. We're gonna go outside and show you this view. This is gorgeous. You can see houses at the top crest, people's house. That is a river. We're gonna go down there and show you some videos of that river. No, let's do a quick thing. So
A tour.
a quick tour. The yurt is beautiful, especially when you look at the top. That's all the sunlight that comes in. You don't need to run your lights. You don't need to turn your lights on. This thing is unbelievable. It's one big room. I personally have a different setup. I have me like a huge projector that comes down, like big bed. It's like big. It'd be like big, not bean bags, but like, you know, big sofa. Like fit like 15 kids or something. Like this is one room for your whole family.
Well, you can zoom out.
And that's the shower. It does not have a light, so you're gonna shower in the dark at nighttime. That's the shower. Hopefully y'all can see that. It's nice glass. And that stands for peace. I don't know what it stands for. It's the bedroom where all the magic happens. Second bathroom. There's no lights in here. This is really
Look, there's lights over here.
this is the view from the bedroom. This is your view from your bedroom.
Oh, that's for that.
You can zoom in. That's the
Look, there's lights here.
river. Gorgeous. Let's get a look at this at this time of day. Then you come outside. You have your sitting area. You have your sitting area. Look at him. He just want to be in the camera. That wraps around. Then you go downstairs. Look at that view. That's the yurt. That's the kids coming down the steps. And we're gonna try to go fly fishing later today. All right, guys. So you got that right there. I know everybody's like, your new glasses. These are new glasses. They turn shades like an old man, but man, these things are great. These are unbelievable. So that's the view. That's day one. I think we're gonna take a light. We went by a barbecue place, got some barbecue. We did not film it. I'm gonna try to make it back over there and film it. So we took a light today because we got in late. And it wasn't clean, so they sent somebody to come and clean it for us, which is fine. So you guys don't forget to hit subscribe. We do this for you guys, just to get out here in the world, see what's going on, share feelings and everything. All right, she's using the bathroom. They're right there, doo-doo. All right now.
All right, so while we were waiting for the Airbnb to be available, we decided to get some food. I already ate my food, but look at Beignet, she's fat.
I told them we were gonna try to make it back there.
Huh? I'm trying to.
What is that?
That's ribs. So I already ate my barbecue. I'll insert a picture of it. It was good. Mr. T.F.C. decided to wait. We got it from Luella's Barbecue. So, and their food is pretty good. This is a half slab of ribs. Those are hush puppies. That's chopped beef brisket, some pulled pork, some tangy vinegar coleslaw because they like tangy, vinegary stuff in North Carolina, and that's some macaroni and cheese in that little container. So he's gonna go in and eat, but just wanted to show you the lunch we have. This is lunch at 6 o'clock in the evening. Okay, all right, we'll be back after we chow down. Bye-bye. Hey guys, so it is 8:52 p.m. on day one, and I'm a little hungry, so I'm going to make some pizza. We were supposed to eat this for lunch, but ended up eating barbecue. So I'm gonna eat this, eat a couple of slices of this before I go to sleep. I'm on vacation. That's what you do. You eat, you drink, you sleep. All right, so we have here 2 pizza crusts. I'm only gonna make one. I'm gonna make a pepperoni and sausage pizza. So this is the crust. I need to preheat it to, I'm sorry about the lighting, guys. It's kind of dim in here. Y'all see that? gonna preheat it to 425. All right, so next step is we are going to fry up this. Can you guys see it? We're gonna fry up this breakfast sausage. We gotta fry it before we put it on the pizza. So I'm gonna heat up a pan to medium, and we're gonna take this out and start frying. We're gonna break it up like you would ground beef. Okay, this is just a roll of breakfast sausage. You can also use turkey breakfast sausage. I'm using pork today. So we're back. The ground beef. The breakfast sausage is browned. And now we're going to start assembling our pizza. Time to make the pizza! Yippee! We have here our pizza crust that I showed you earlier. I'm going to add some of this classico traditional pizza sauce to it. I'm just gonna eyeball it. I kind of like a lot of sauce, but not a whole bunch. Not soaking wet, like where all you taste is pizza sauce, but I like a decent amount. So I'm gonna start pouring this on here. Can y'all see that? That should be enough. Let's spread it out. Sorry, y'all, I have a camera in one hand. I don't have my tripod with me today. I didn't bring the tripod with me on the trip. So we're just gonna make the best out of it. Like I might add a little more to that. Hold on. Like that should be plenty. And it looks nice and chunky, has some chunky tomatoes in it. All right, looks good. Cheese is next. We're gonna add this package of cheese. I think this is, 2 cups. We're gonna sprinkle 2 cups of mozzarella onto the crust. I got my 2 cups of mozzarella on top. Now we're going to add the toppings. Yippee! So excited. I'm going to take half of this package of pepperoni and put on the pizza. That's 5 ounces. I'm going to take half of that for one pizza. I'll use the other half later on the other pizza I have. You can also use turkey pepperoni, which I've done before, but I was in a rush and didn't feel like looking for wherever the turkey pepperoni was located, so I'm using regular pepperoni today. You can see that. So I'm going to just put the pepperoni on there. I'll be back after I layer the pepperoni on here. There is the pepperoni layered on the pizza. That's our pepperoni that we layered on the pizza. Now it's time to add some of the breakfast sausage. Just going to kind of sprinkle it on there. It's kind of hard to hold the camera and also do this. So I might just come back after I've thrown the sausage on top, but you get what I'm doing here. Check back with this in 10 minutes. I'm putting it in the oven at 425 degrees. Be back. Can you guys see that? Pizza looks good. It's all done. I think I kept it in there like 13 minutes maybe. Yep. Crust is nice and crispy. We're about to slice this up. And apparently Black Panther is on right now. So we're about to eat some pizza, watch a little Black Panther. And so that's the end of the night, guys. We'll see you in the morning. Until then, bye-bye.
Jalaki just ate something. Those snakes right there, they like to climb. And the problem is he just ate. See how big he is? So he don't want to do anything. He want to stay out the sun, stay away from danger.